welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. We're going to jump right into this video. I have little to no time to edit this video, so I am not going to put the cup and the measurements on the screen, so you're going to have to listen to me very closely. And I'm going to slow down talking so I make sure that I'm saying everything right and giving you guys all of the ingredients with me verbally telling you. And also just watch the screen because, like I said, I literally have no time to edit this video, but I still need to get content out for you guys. So what I'm going to do is start out with 3 cups of distilled water. First off, did I tell you what I'm making? No, I didn't. I am making an anti-shedding rinse. You can use it as a leave-in if you want to, but I used this rinse as a rinse, and I've also used it as a leave-in, but this particular time I used it as a rinse. So what you're gonna need is 3 cups of water. You're gonna need cloves, fenugreek seed, and a tea bag. You guys know I've been suffering from shedding, so from COVID shedding, and then also when I had postpartum shedding, I used tea to help my postpartum shedding stop. But now I am suffering from COVID shedding and my hair is thinning out, so literally I am like pulling out all the home remedies to help boost hair stimulation, like boost growth, stimulating the scalp, making sure that my scalp is clean, making sure that I'm consistently doing tea rinses or doing some type of tea leave-in. And this particular week I decided to use cloves, which helps stimulate hair growth. And as you guys can see, I just added 1 spoon of clove to 3 cups of water. I'm also going to use about 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, and then I'm going to use 1 bag of black tea. I've been getting the question a lot, do it have to be decaf tea? Can it be green tea? And honestly, you guys, you can use whatever tea you want. I've tried decaf, I've tried caffeinated, I've tried green and black tea. The only tea that I have not tried has been like, you know, mint tea or any of the other teas, but I'm pretty sure they will do the same thing. But I'm only just speaking on the experience that I've had with the teas that I've used. So that's what I'm doing. So you guys, what I'm going to do is just leave this to sit overnight in the refrigerator, and then the next day, because I'm using it as a rinse, I'm just gonna, like I said, let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. The water is not hot. I'm not like making this as like a normal tea because I want it to really draw out all the nutrients from each ingredient that I put in the water. And you guys, I kid you not, like I've been doing this since I found out that I'm suffering from telogen effluvium, and that's the post-COVID shedding. So you guys, I've been doing this to my hair, and I kid you not, my hair has literally stopped shedding. So if you're suffering from shedding, if you want your hair to, you know, get a little more stimulation from natural things instead of taking pills or whatever, you guys, try this mixture. Like I said, leave it in your refrigerator overnight. You can use it as a spray, as a leave-in, or you can use it as a rinse out. Really quick, I'm going to have a couple of things flash across the screen, just some of the benefits of tea. And you guys can also go to Google and look up some of these things yourself. But this is what the rinse or leave-in looks like the next day. As you guys can see, it's so much darker. And the way that I do this is just getting an applicator bottle and pouring the tea into the applicator bottle. I do have a strainer so that I don't get like the fenugreek and the cloves in my hair. But yeah, you guys, this is a really simple tip, is a really simple solution. You guys are probably wondering what was in the bottom of that other jar container. I had made some hair gel and I didn't feel like washing that container out because a lot of my stuff is still the same ingredient, and I knew that it was gonna dilute itself in this rinse. So I literally just used that container instead of dirtying up another container. But you guys, you can add peppermint oil in this, tea tree oil, hemp seed oil. You can use rosemary oil in here if you're wanting to use it as a leave-in, or if you want to use it as a rinse out, you can still add those oils in there and just adding extra benefits to your hair. So you guys, that's what I'm stirring around. I'm just stirring around the mixture, making sure that it's all evenly, is all good. So, you guys won't see me apply it to my hair because, like I said, it's just literally a rinse out. But what I am going to do is make another batch of this mixture. Like, I don't want to just use the cloves and the fenugreek seed one time. I'm actually going to add another 3 cups of water to that leftover fenugreek seed and everything that you see back there in the background. I am going to add more water to it, but this time I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for a week. Then that's going to be my rinse for the next following week. As you guys know, or if you don't, I wash my hair every Friday or Saturday, so that will be in the refrigerator for me to rinse my hair out for the next following week. And then I will throw the cloves and fenugreek seed, and I do add another tea bag in there. I don't reuse the same tea bag this time because I think I had already thrown it in the trash, but I do add another tea bag in there, but you can use the same tea bag if you don't want to be wasteful. So yeah, you guys, just a really quick tip. Like I said before, this really has helped my hair, and I'm really pleased with the results. If you give this a try, please leave comments down below. And then you don't have to use distilled water if you don't want to. I just decided to try to use distilled water because I'm playing around with different water. Like if you need hard water or soft water, like I'm just playing around with different waters to see how my hair reacts since I am going through this. Oh no, I actually used the same tea bag. Look at me being resourceful. Hey! Okay, so yeah, I used the same tea bag. I thought I threw it away, but yeah, I did use the same tea bag. But yeah, I'm just playing with different waters to see how my hair actually reacts to the water. So yeah, you guys, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you try this down below.